I just want to highlight that entering into 2026, the leadership of the market or the indices hitting new highs first happened to be the NYSE, the S&P Equal Weighted Index, Mid Cap Index, which we put in the chart check from last week, and the Russell 2000, as you can see that we have put up on the webcast. This is a chart that we've been looking at throughout 2025 and into 2026. The thesis of this chart is volume leads price. The lower panel shows the volume advanced decline line. The volume advanced decline line had a strengthening trend through consolidation patterns on the IWM, which is the Russell 2000 ETF. So volume breaking out ahead of price has proven to be a good trade, at least over the last several cycles. For instance, you had improving volume into that prior to that early 2013 breakout for IWM. You had improving volume prior to the 2016 breakout for IWM, which is small caps. Prior to the 2020 breakout, you had strengthening volume AD line, and here we have a strengthening volume AD line with the potential for a decisive move higher on the Russell 2000 or IWM. What are the big levels for IWM in 2026? 245 to 228. We have confidence in this basing pattern that goes back about 3 to 4 years with upside to 325 on IWM. I mean, one thing that is a tactical divergence is you don't have a higher high on that volume indicator just yet, but it could very well be just a bullish triangle consolidation. And you can see this indicator has been bullish for quite some time. So we still think that the Russell 2000 can do well. Entering this year, 2026, you can see that IWM versus SPY is shown in that so-called January effect where you can get small names bid up, and that seems to be the case. So this line is showing you relative performance for IWM versus SPY. So it's small caps versus large caps. You can see that the overall prevailing trend is down, but what you can see really closely here in 2025 is a double bottom and a retest of the double bottom, and now the potential for tactical upside, perhaps towards that 200-week moving average. So to start off 2026, we think that IWM or small caps can beat the S&P 500 or large caps.